Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
So all are keeping well. Welcome to a new day. Yes?
How are you, ma'am?
Yes. I'm fine. What about you, children?
Good.
Good. Great.
I'm
And
doing
some are
good.
on top of the world. Yes? Okay. So
Yes.
come back to our math class. Yes? So children, do you remember last class we learned which fraction? Equivalent. Okay. Equivalent. So who can give me the definition of equivalent fraction?
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Adidev.
fractions that denote the same part of a whole is
Very
called
good.
equivalent.
Fraction that denote the same part of a whole. Now, this chapter, children, we are going to start the new topic that is 8.2. Identify and compare like fractions. So, before identify and compare, you should know what is like, and we will learn unlike fractions. So, children, listen carefully. You know what is numerator and denominator? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
4 by 6. Which is the denominator? Denominator. 6. So the number that we are writing below, down, that is D for denominator. Yes, down.
Yes.
Which one? Denominator. So now, children, we are going to talk about denominator only. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Now we are going to talk only about denominator. So, children, the fractions that have the same denominators are called like fractions. So, what is like fraction? Fractions with same denominator. For example, I say 3 by 5, 2 by 5. So, which is the common denominator here? 5. Okay. So, fractions with same denominators are called like fractions. So, can you guess what will be unlike?
Fractions that have different denominators.
Very good. Fractions that have different denominators are called? Different denominators are called? Unlike fractions. Very good. Okay, so children, listen here. We are going to learn the new topic that is identify and compare. Identify and compare like fractions. So we should know what is like fraction. So what is like fraction, children? Just now we discussed fractions that have the same denominator. Same denominator. So children, here identify which is the common or same denominators here given? 5. So 2 by 5, 5 by 5, 9 by 5. So all the denominators are same denominator. Same denominator. But we are not talking anything about numerator. We just look the denominators, and if they are same, we will say like fraction, and if they are different, we will say unlike fraction. So children, please remember and be very attentive in the class so you can study now itself, because we are going to learn more and more about fractions, so you will may get confused if you are not listening properly. Okay, children, now we are going to compare. Compare means we know we should understand we should identify which is greater, which is smaller. Now listen here, children. Can you see the picture here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Hazel Joby. This is a pizza. Yes. So this one, which one? That shaded blue part, that is the part you are going to get. That is the part that you are going to get. Now, can you tell me the fraction for this? You got only how many pieces?
One piece.
1 by
5.
1 by
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write here 1 by 5. Okay. Next one. Yuvan, tell me the second picture. Can you give me the fraction for the second one? Yuvan.
Second one?
Second picture. Yes.
2 by?
Yes. 1, 2.
5.
2 by 5. Yes. 2 by 5. 1, 2, 3. See, children, we are talking about like fraction. So the number of pieces, that is the denominator, will be the same. Okay, Catherine, you are, so first one, Hazel got only 1 piece out of 5. Yuvan got 2 pieces out of 5. And Catherine is going to get the third one. Yes, Catherine, can you give me the fraction for your pizza?
3 by 5.
3 by 5. Yes. Next one. Adidev MB. This for you. Tell me your fraction. 1.
4 by 5.
4 by 5. See children, the denominators are same. See, denominators are same means we are dividing all the pizza into like same size pizzas. It is not that like it is not 1 by 2, 1 by 3. No. It is divided into 5 pieces. All the pizzas are same size and it is divided into same number of pieces. Now tell me who got more?
Adidev.
Adidev, yes, it's clear. He got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Yes, Adidev. So Adidev, that is 4 by 5. That is greater than how much Hazel got? 1 by 5. Because Hazel got only 1 piece.
5.
Then 4 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. That means he got more than Yuvan. Because Yuvan got only 2 pieces. And again, Adidev MB, he got more than Catherine. Catherine got how much?
3 by
5. Okay, so children, look at the numerator. Look at the numerator. If the number is greater, we say that fraction is greater. Remember, this is only for like fractions. We are learning only about like fraction. Means what? Fractions that have same denominator. Same denominator. If the fractions have same denominator, you can see that the numerator, if it is big number, that fraction is greater. So here, this example 4 by 5 is greater. This is only this much. That means we got only one small piece. Here we got 2 pieces. So this much part. And the third one, we got this much part. And the fourth one, that is Adidev MB, he got almost full, only 1 piece left. Yes. So this 4 by 5 is greater. Can you see the numerator? That is greater. If it is like fraction, we can compare 1 by 5. If the denominators are same, we will say they are like fraction. Like fraction. And if the denominators are same, we will check the numerator. Which numerator is greater? That fraction is going to be the greater one.
Greater one.
Okay. Now, children, what will be the unlike fraction? Unlike fraction, look here. Fractions that have different denominators are called unlike fraction. Unlike, you know, that is not similar. Unlike means different. And look at the examples here, children. 1 by 8, 1 by 2, 1 by 7. All the denominators are different. Okay? Understood what is like fraction and unlike fractions? So fractions that have same denominators are called like fractions. That examples, you can see here the examples. Here 5 is the common denominator for all the fractions. And what is the unlike fractions that have different denominators? So here you can see the denominator is 8, 2, 7. Yes, children, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Who can give me the definition of like fraction? Like fraction. Adidev MB, tell me, because you got more number of pieces of pizza, yes? So you had to tell first.
Fractions that are same, that has same denominator.
Denominator, that is very important, children. We are talking only about denominators here. Fractions that have same denominators are called like. Yes, Catherine?
Fraction.
Fractions that have the same denominator is known as like fraction.
Like fraction. Adira, give me the unlike fraction. Unlike.
Fractions that have different denominators are
different denominators are called unlike fractions. Yes, Hazel, tell me what is like fractions?
Fractions that have same denominators are called like fractions.
Yes, Adar, give me what is unlike fraction?
Fractions that have different denominators are called unlike
fractions. Yes, very good. Yes, Vedika, can you give me the definition of both? Like and unlike.
Like fraction. Fraction that have same denominators is called like fraction.
Like fraction, yes.
Fraction that have different denominators are called unlike fraction.
Unlike fraction. So children, we are talking only about denominator. That is not good. Yes. So we had to say something about numerator also. So children, we are going to learn the next fraction, that is unit fraction. Unit fraction. You know the name a unit. You have heard in your place value. Ones place, tens place. For that we have said one unit place, tens place, 100 place. So what do you mean by unit?
Ma'am, I have here heard it.
Okay, okay. May you have network issue. Okay. So can you guess what is unit fraction? No, tell me what is unit. Unit place, tens place, 100 place. So what is unit place? Ones place, yes, one. So unit fraction means it is something related to one. So children, here the fraction with numerator 1, that is called unit fraction. Okay, fraction with numerator 1. So can you give me here, children? Can you see 1 by 4? Which is the numerator here? 1. So that is known as a unit fraction. So fractions with numerator 1, that is called unit fraction. Right, 1 by 8, 1 by 10, 1 by 6. All these are examples of unit fraction. Unit fraction. Yes, children. So what all things we learned today? Who can give me that in all the fractions? Yes, Sribhadra. Like fraction. Unlike fraction and unit fraction. Okay. So Ameya, can you give me what is the definition of unit fraction? Unit fraction.
Can you repeat it?
Unit.
Fraction with number.
Fraction with
Numerator.
Numerator. Very good. We are talking about numerator. Yes, very good. So what will be numerator?
1.
1. Yes, fraction with numerator 1. Yes, Janvi, can you repeat that? Unit fraction. Unit fraction.
Fraction with numerator 1 are called unit fraction.
Fraction with numerator 1 is called unit fraction. So children, I will give you some examples. You have to identify, is it unit, like or unlike. Are you ready? Can you please take your rough book? Yes, rough book. Identify like and unlike fractions. Like and unlike.
And we need to write the question.
Means what? Identify. You have to identify which fraction is like and which is unlike. That is question number 1. Now question number 2, give example. Write one unit fraction.
Ma'am.
So I will give you the fractions here. Ma'am,
we need to write the questions. Ma'am, we need to write the questions.
Yes, yes. Write the question. Identify like and unlike. Only that much we have to write.
Ma'am, ma'am, can you tell
identify like and unlike fraction. That is the first one. Okay. Identify like unlike fractions. So fractions are here. 3 by 7, 5 by 7, 3 by 4 and 2 by 7. And question number 2, you have to write one unit fraction. Unit fraction. Only one needed. Okay, like fractions, you have to write like fractions equal to. Suringa VS, can you give me the answer? Like fractions. Which are the like fractions from here?
3 by 7.
3 by 7.
5 by 7.
5 by 7.
2 by 7.
2 by 7. So you have to write all these three. 3 by 7, 5 by 7, 2 by 7. And which are the denominators common here?
7.
7. Okay. Now, Niran, can you give me one example for unit fraction? So children, here unlike we have only one. Unlike. So we have written 3 by 7, 5 by 7 and 2 by 7. So which is here? 3 by 4 only unlike fraction. Yes, Niran, can you give me an example for unit fraction? Yes, Niran? Yes, Eric. Give me one example for unit fraction.
1 by 4.
1 by 7.
1 by 4. Or somebody told me 1 by 4, 1 by 7. Okay, any example you can write.
1 by 9.
Or 1 by 7, no problem.
1
1
by
by 9.
Okay, 1 by 9. You can write
1 by 3.
anything you can write. Okay, whichever you can write. So children, did you get that? Correct answers? Like fraction with same denominator and unlike fraction with different denominators. And what is unit fraction? Fraction with a numerator is equal to 1. Okay, so children, can you all please take your math workbook, page number 7. Page number 7.
Ma'am, I should take an...
Can you show me? Niran, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you read? Who said yes, ma'am?
Adidev.
I asked Niran, can you hear me? So Adidev, why Adidev? Where is Niran?
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot hear your son. Can you read question number 1?
Okay, ma'am.
Louder. Children, please show me the page. Page number 7 from, and first 3 question is based on this figure. Look at the circle. First 3 question is based on this figure. Okay. Yes, Niran, read question number 1.
Observe the given figure and answer the questions that follow. 1. The fractions represented by gray
Which color? Which color?
Gray color.
Gray color. Okay. Can you give me the fraction for gray color? How many parts shaded with gray?
Three by 12.
3 by 12. So children, the numerator is the parts that is shaded gray, that is 3, and total number is 12. So Niran, give me the option. Which option is correct?
Option A.
Option A. So children, we are doing page number 7 math workbook part 2, question number 1. So you got the answer as A. Question number A, that is 1 is 3 by 12. Next one. Arjun Vinayak, read question number 2.
The fraction
Represented by
the blue color is
blue color. Okay.
5 by 12.
5 by 12. Very good. 5 parts are shaded blue. Okay. Option?
Option D.
D. Option D. Okay. Advaita, can you read question number 3?
The fraction represented by
orange color? Orange color. Yes.
Is 4 by 12.
4 by 12. Option?
D.
D. Option D is correct answer. Question number 4. Evelyn?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read question number 4?
Yes, ma'am. An unlike fraction of 1 by 7 is dash.
No, my dear. Question number 4.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. The fraction of parts not shaded.
Not shaded. Unshaded. Unshaded. Fraction 4, unshaded.
Ma'am.
How many parts not shaded by total number of parts? Yes.
2.
2 by
2 by 1.
2 by 3. Okay, so can you give me which option is correct?
C.
C. Okay. Yuvan, can you give read question number 5? Yuvan?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Question number 5.
An unlike fraction of 1 by 7 is.
Yes, you have to find out the unlike fraction of 1 by 7.
Ma'am.
What is unlike?
Ma'am, the denominator have
fraction with the different denominators. Fraction with different denominator. Look here. Which fraction with different denominator?
3 by 14.
3 by 14. Very good. Option?
B.
B. Correct answer. Next one. Arush. Can you read question number 6? Arush.
Ma'am, I don't have the book.
Book. Mayasa.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 6.
Which of the following is a like fraction of 3 by 7?
Which of the following is like fractions of 3 by 7? So Mayasa, can you tell me what is a like fraction?
Ma'am,
Like
fractions that have the
same denominator. Very good. Fraction that have same denominators. So tell me, so here the denominator is 7 and tell me the answer.
A. And
which is that?
Ma'am?
Tell me the answer again.
2 by 7.
2 by 7. That is the denominator. So 2 by 7. Here is 7 and here also 7. So they are like fraction. Very good. Can you give me the option?
That's what I said, ma'am. A.
Option A.
Ma'am, can I read the next question?
Okay, Chud. Read question number 7.
The next question.
The fraction of the unshaded part in the figure.
You have to just write the fraction for unshaded.
And 2 by 8.
2 by 8, yes, 2 parts not shaded and the total number of parts is 8. Okay. Next question, question number 8. Sri Rugda, can you read?
Fractions that have the dash
Okay, fraction that have dash denominators are called like fractions. Yes. What is the definition we learned? Yes. Yes, Vaishnav?
Same.
Same. Yes, fractions that have same denominators are called like fractions. So what we had to write here? Which word we had to write here? The fractions that have the same. Same. So you had to write here same fractions that have same denominators are called like fractions. Next one, Ayin Maria. Ayin Maria.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, question number 9. Can you read question number 9?
Ma'am, that answer same. Ma'am, that is 9th question, I think so.
What?
No, ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, I got a bit.
Fraction that have same.
Ma'am, that's the 8th question.
Yes, question number 8.
Yeah.
Fractions that have dash denominators are called like fractions. So what is that? Same. Same. Okay. So who is going to read question number 9? Ain Maria.
Ma'am.
Can you read question number 9?
The fractions 3 by 9 by
3 by 9. 3 by 4. 3 by 7 are dash fractions.
Unlike fraction.
Unlike, very good. See children, some children, if they don't know whether it is denominator, numerator, they will get confused. But here, different denominators are unlike. Here, all the denominators are different, 9, 4 and 7. But the numerator is same, 3, 3, 3. But we are not checking the numerator. We should check only the denominator. So they are examples for, what we have to write here? 9 question number 9. Unlike fraction.
Unlike fractions.
Unlike fractions.
One next question, Sri Bhadra again.
Unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Have you all completed till question number 9? 1 to 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Atharva, can you read next one? Question number 10.
Identify the like fractions.
Identify the like fractions. Which are the fractions given?
Ma'am, 2 by 12,
Ah.
3 by 12, 9 by 12.
So out of 2 by 12, 3 by 12, 2 by 8, 9 by 12, 2 by 7, which are fractions are like? You can write. So children, question number 10, it's very short. So we had to just write short step. What you will write? Like fractions are. Question number 10. We are writing now question number 10. Like fractions are. Like fractions are. Janvi, can you repeat the answer again?
Yes, ma'am. 2 by 12.
2 by 12.
3 by 12.
3 by 12.
9 by 12.
9 by 12. Joanne, can you read question number 11?
Okay, ma'am. Identify the unlike fractions.
Identify
The
unlike fractions. Unlike. So we will write here unlike fractions are.
by 6 and 2 by 8.
2 by 6 and 2 by 8. Yes. Unlike fractions are 2 by 6 and 2 by 8. 2 by 6 and 2 by 8.
Ma'am, next can I?
Maya, can you read the question, next one? 12, question number 12.
Find the fraction representing the unshaded part.
Find the fraction representing the unshaded. How many parts unshaded?
4.
4 by
6.
4 by 6. Yes, children, here we have question number 12. 4 parts are not shaded out of 6. How to write that? 4 by 6. 4 by 6.
Ma'am, next can I?
Wait. Now we will do only till question number 12. Okay, only this. So children, before, now close your books. Only we have done till question number 12. So I hope all of you have completed till 12. So we have like fractions, unlike fractions, and unit fractions. Okay, now before winding up, let me ask again. Achut, can you tell me what is that? Like fractions?
Ma'am, that has the same denominator.
Like fraction, can you say again?
Ma'am, that has the same denominator.
Fractions that have same denominators are called like fraction. Yes, Arush, can you tell me what is the unlike fractions? Unlike
Fractions are fractions with different denominators.
Very good. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike. Yes, Hazel, can you say what is a unit fraction?
Fractions that have numerator 1 is called.
Yes, fractions with numerator 1 is called unit fraction. Don't get confused, children. I will send these slides. Okay. So I hope you can write notes from the slides where you will write in the math notebook. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
By evening only, I'll send, because here only you have to remember these 3 fractions. Whatever we are learning, you have to remember. You have to read daily and either, because we will have after that fractions 1, we have fractions 2 also. That is chapter 9. Okay, so what we are learning daily, children, you have to revise. Is this difficult?
No.
No, very easy. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes. So now one more, Mayasa, give me. What is like fractions again?
Ma'am, could you repeat?
Mayasa.
Yes, ma'am. Could you repeat the question? I didn't hear.
What is like fraction?
Fractions with the same denominators
Are called like.
Are called
And
like.
Hail Teresa. Unlike.
Fractions which don't have the same denominator is called.
We can say no same, or we can say different denominators. Yes. Now, who is going to tell me? Yes, Catherine. What is unit fraction?
Fractions then with numerator 1.
Yes, fractions with numerator 1. Okay, children. Now I'm going to take your attendance.
Have a nice day.
Okay, bye.
My